lovelies, it's Han. Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today we're talking all things tan. I cannot wait to get this tan on me. This is the Prep Set Tanning Mousse. Oh my god, it smells insane. And I'm going to show you all the hacks you can do with this. So let's get into it. So this is the Prep Set Tan Mousse. They come in 2 shades, Original and Glow. So this is a special tanning mousse. It's designed to help your body radiate with a sun-kissed hue. It's very natural looking and long lasting. Really easy to apply as well. Now it doesn't have your stereotypical colour guide to it, but it just has that radiant shimmer pigments you can see here. You can use this instead of the colour guide to see where you're applying your tan. So with the shimmer being the colour guide instead of an actual colour, it's so mess-free, it's so easy to apply, and you also know where you're going to put your tan because you're not going to miss out the parts because you'll just see where the shimmer is on your body. I absolutely love that. There's no rinsing required either, so you can apply this tan anywhere, and the scent of this is stunning. So having no colour guide, the tan does develop over time, so you'll see yourself get more bronzy as the hours go on. So with the 2 shades, I would use Original just for a more natural look on my skin tone. It is such a beautiful glowy bronzy colour, and then the Glow for the deepest. So this is the most luxurious bronze colour. It caters to your every bronzing need, and the signature glisten pearl pigments add that instant radiance while your tan develops. It looks so beautiful on the skin, and it looks so moisturising as well. Like your skin just looks so glowy. The first use, 94% agreed the product applied and absorbs easily. 89% agreed the mousse gives an instant natural dewy glow. 87% said the Pro Puff brush helped blend the product seamlessly, which is the brush I'm using today. Now I'm going to show you a couple of hacks you can do with your tan. First is Tantouring, so I'm going to use my tan and pop it on the top of the lid. Use a fluffy brush just to really disperse all that product all over so it goes on really nice and evenly. And this is mainly just to give that bronzy effect to your face naturally. So we're using tan where we would put our bronzer on. So my cheekbones, anywhere where I want like a sculpted look. So like the jawline, cheekbones, hairline. You can see how gorgeous my skin looks after putting that on and the glow it gives. And this takes 3 to 8 hours to develop. The next hack is to use your tan to add some faux freckles to the skin, and it looks so natural. So again, I'm just pumping this on the cap. I'm using a stippling brush. I'm really working my brush in there so the bristles are separated, so we can just tap this on the skin. This will give the most natural effect, and I'm just making sure I'm putting that on my cheeks and my nose mainly. That's where I like my faux freckles. I feel like it looks more natural just to have a couple over your cheeks and over your nose, and then this will take a couple hours just to develop, and I'll be back to show you how it looks. So again, 3 to 8 hours just to let the tan fully develop. So I've gone to sleep and woke up in mine, so this is my results. Oh my god, can you see those cute little faux freckles on my face? It looks so natural, it looks so pretty, and it just gives more of a youthful look to my face. I absolutely love putting faux freckles on my face. So this is my final result of the tan. You can see it looks so smooth on my skin. It's not really grabbed a hold of any of my dry parts. It just looks so natural, and it looks nice and healthy as well. So this is the original colour that I used, and you can see even on my face it still looks super natural. It's not hanging on to any of my dry skin, and there's no patches that I've missed either. Even without having that colour guide, the shimmer really helps see where you're applying the tan. And other than the results it's gave me, you can now get the Prep Set Tanning Mousse on Iconic London's website. You already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out on any Iconic London new bits coming in the future. And that is me all bronzy and tan. I hope you've enjoyed watching. Bye babes.